To get started, open Event Settings from the main menu, then select Ticket Types and Availability. You'll be taken to the form builder and drop directly into the ticketing block. From here, you can create Admit One tickets, group packages, or add-on items like drink tickets or merchandise. Set the ticket name, add a description, choose a price, and configure the basic details required from each ticket holder. You can also set minimums, maximums, or capacity limits as needed. In the main ticket settings, you can define the overall event capacity and fine-tune additional options. After saving your changes, it's a good idea to preview the guest experience. Enter a few sample responses, just like a guest would, to make sure everything is working as expected. When you're happy with the setup, your event is ready to start accepting registrations.